In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rubber in Once Human. So this rubber, if I open up my inventory, is this thing over here and is usable for crafting pretty much a lot of things, okay? So you can craft a lot of things with this and you can get it quite easily. Now the way to get it is by salvaging over here at this disassembly bench. You have to go in here and disassemble everything. I just disassembled everything I had over here, and then by disassembling you will be able to get rubber. As you can see right now, I can even get rubber by disassembling things I have in my inventory over here. And yeah, the easiest way to farm those scraps is to go into nearby towns and loot for items, especially basketballs and some different balls you can find can be used to get a lot of rubber, okay? So keep an eye on those, and when you find them, simply just grab them up, come to your disassembly bench, disassemble those, and you'll get rubber. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.